Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to just draw a very simple sketch. It's very easy. We have already drawn a more complicated sketch. In this video I'm going to just draw a very simple sketch. Before watching this video, please draw this sketch. It's gonna be very easy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. I click on the SolidWorks and here I click on the new part. Okay, here I click on the front plane and I click on the sketch, and here I have my sketch open. Here we have origin point. We always start with the origin point. Here we have a vertical line, so here I choose line, and here you can see an orange point appears. It means that when you get close to the point here, and if you click on this point, your line will be connected to the origin point. So here I choose the point, and I have to draw a vertical line. So here, if I draw the line like this, you can see a yellow symbol appears. It means that if I click on the screen, my line will be vertical. Then we have a horizontal line, so here I draw a horizontal line. Then we have a vertical line, so here I draw a vertical line. We have a horizontal line here. Then we have a line that has an angle, so here I draw this line. Then we have a horizontal line, so here I draw a horizontal line. Then we have to draw the line that has angle like this. Then we have to draw an arc that connects this point to this point. So here I choose the arc. I normally use 3-point arc, so here I choose the point here, and I draw the arc. Now I have to make this arc tangent to this line, so here in add relation I make it tangent. For giving relation to two entities, just hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the entities like this and give it tangent relation. So now we have to give it dimensions. The radius of this arc is 32 millimeter. The dimension from this point to this point is 40 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 5 millimeter. And dimension from this point to this point is 176 millimeter. Sorry, 176 millimeter. Okay, this is perfect. And the dimension from this point to this this point here. Sorry, sir. My smart dimension was deactive, so here I activate the smart dimension and I choose the point here, and I have to give it the dimension 16 millimeter. Now the dimension from this point to this point is 80 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point here is 28 millimeter. Now I have to give the angle of this line, so I choose the line here and the line here, and you can give it angle in various ways. So give the angle from this side of your sketch. It is 45 degree, and you can see my sketch is turning to black. It means that the lines here are fixed, but this line is blue. It means that I can move it and my sketch is not fully defined. It is under defined. Here you can see. Now I have to draw the circles here. Here I choose a circle, and I normally use a 2-point circle. Here I draw a circle. Here I choose a smart dimension and I give the circle dimension 40 millimeter diameter, and I choose the point here and the line here, and I give it 40 millimeter dimension, and I give the dimension from this line to this point 35 millimeter. Now I have to draw 3 circles. Here I draw a circle here, and I choose a smart dimension and I give it 16 millimeter diameter. here I give it 60 millimeter diameter. If you want to escape this tool, for example, if you want to deactivate a smart dimension, you can press the escape button on your keyboard or choose the smart dimension and again click on the smart dimension. You can activate or deactivate the smart dimension. You can turn it on or turn it off. So I normally press the escape button on my keyboard and I choose the smart dimension here and I give it the dimension from this point to the line here. It is I think the dimension from here is 19 millimeter, sorry, and the dimension from this point to the center of the circle here is 50 millimeter. You can see the circle here is black, but this line is not fully defined. So here the center of this arc is vertical to the center of this circle here. So here choose in add relation, click on the symbol here and choose the add relation and choose the point here and here. And here in add relation give it vertical relation. You can see the line here and the circle here is black. It is fully defined here, and I have to pattern the circle here. Choose the linear pattern, and here entities to pattern. I choose the circle here, and I give it parameter. In parameter, give it 1. I have to pattern it in the y axis, so I need 3 circles. 3 circles, and the dimension between the circles are 25 millimeter. So, and I have to reverse the direction, so I choose here the symbol here, reverse the direction, and I choose OK. But these circles are not fully defined, they are moving, so I have to give them relations. Here I choose the center of this arc and this circle. Just hold the control button on your keyboard and choose these 2 points, and in add relation give them vertical relation. Now in the smart dimension, choose the smart dimension and choose these 2 points here and give them 24 millimeter dimension. Now you can see our sketch is fully defined and all the lines and all the entities are black. It was a very simple sketch. In the next videos, we will draw more complicated sketch. Drawing a sketch is very important. Please practice at home, and see you in the next video.